Guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I am in Cricut Design Space and I'm going to show you how to make a money holder, also known as a chapstick holder. Now, this template alone is not going to suffice when you're making this party favor. You will have to order the plastic um, dome that holds the chapstick. It also holds the money. So I will leave a link in the description below that can be purchased through Amazon. So what I'm going to do first is make this design video. Then I'm going to follow up with an assembly video. This will be a free template also that I will give you. It will be in a link in the description. So you will have this for free. But I'm just going to show you with this tutorial how easy it is to design your very own templates. So we're going to start with shapes. I'm going to get this square with the rounded corners. So I'm going to bring this out and I am going to resize it. I'm going to resize it to, I'm going to open my lock here and I'm going to make my width at 4 and my height is going to be 5. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate this square. I'm going to go to my plus here and duplicate it. Now I'm going to put these side by side. I'm going to butt them right up against each other. And I am going to select both layers and I am going to weld them together. So I'm going to go to combine and select weld. It takes it from 2 pieces to 1 piece. So now what I'm going to do, I'm also going to change the color so you can see it better. I'm going to change it to white. So now what we're going to do, we have to add our cutout for the plastic holder that we're going to be purchasing from Amazon. We have to make room for that. So what I'm going to do now is go to shapes and I'm going to get the regular square with the pointed corners. I'm going to pull that over and it's going to go on the right hand side of this holder. So we're going to unlock the lock here and we're going to change the dimensions of this shape. We're going to change it to 2.8 wide and the height is going to be 0.8. And we are going to center that. Okay, you kind of do it just by sight. You're just centering it on this half of the layer. So now what we're going to do is select all layers and we're going to go to subtract. Then we're going to select it and you'll see that that black portion has been cut out. So this is the portion here that will hold our plastic chapstick holder. Okay, now we're going to design our money holder here. So this is going to be for a mermaid themed party. And I have uploaded several mermaid digital files. So I'm going to go and look for those. And this one, but I also like this one here. Well, let's see, which one is it going to be? I think I'm going to take this, add that to my canvas, and then I'm going to add a little fish to go in the center. I'm going to add him. I'm going to add this starfish. If I don't need it, then I'll just, I don't have to use it. Okay, so let's go back to the canvas. And Let's get this fish out the way here. Okay, so this is going to be our front panel here. So I'm going to add her. I don't want her too big because I need to put some text up there as well. So we'll have her here. And I will put the fish in that center there. I'll put him down a little bit more. And I'm not sure about the starfish yet, but I'm going to get my text going here. So my text is going to be happy birthday, Anna Marie. And that's going to also need to be resized. It's much too large for what we have going on here. And so I'm going to move that, resize it. Okay, now I want to change the color of my template. Instead of white, I want to make it a pink. I wanted some type of pink color. Let's see. Let's go to advanced. I'll go down here to the fuchsia. We'll just go ahead and keep that fuchsia color. All right. Now I want to change the font on my text. And I am going to see if there are any like mermaid type fonts. Okay, they have several. Mermaid. Oh, they have a lot of them. Mermaid tails. Let's try this one. This one is called Tails Mermaid. That's what this one is called. I'm going to save that because I kind of add to white. We're not going to use this. I'm going to take it and I'm going to flatten the entire image so that it will print just like we see it here. Okay. Now, one last thing I'm going to do to make sure that we can fold it properly, I am going to go to shapes and I'm going to add this line here to the center of my design, and I am going to take that line all the way down the center. So this is going to be our score line. Print. I mean, it's not going to score on the line, so you have to attach it. Now what I'm doing is I'm getting my Cricut machine ready to cut, and when we come back, we will be in the assembly portion of this tutorial. So I am going to hit make it, and I'm going to get my printer ready. I'm going to use some glossy paper for this design. And I'm using some just 48-pound glossy paper. And it's going to do a print then cut. And as you can see here, it has print then cut, and there's my score line. So this tells you what it's going to do. And so I'm going to put my paper into my printer. And I will see you guys for the second half of this tutorial.